got a wreck. Look out! Look out! She's not gonna make it.
Welcome to Police Speed, where we bring you the most thrilling, high-speed chases, pulse-pounding action, and dramatic moments, all captured on camera. If you crave adrenaline and heart-pumping excitement, you've come to the right place.
We're working on right on security. The car pushed down, I think, south, but
111, 110.
In San Diego, California, a 1995 Chevrolet Silverado was stolen on February 18, 2024, and the victim discovered the vehicle on February 23. When police intervened, the driver, Evan Baltzas, 44, failed to stop and fled, leading to a pursuit. Baltzas was arrested after being bitten by a police dog, while the female passenger was arrested and later released.
It's in the back. This is a dead end here, guys, so just be ready for the foot bail. Driver doors opening.
Hey, stop! You're gonna get bit! Fuck! 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 Hands up! Hands up! Hands up! Hands up! Hey, put your hands up! Hands up!
Connor, gun. 111, 110.
On July 15, 2022, in Byron, Georgia, police pursued Sierra Hibbert, 24, for reckless driving on GA Highway 42. After being stopped, Hibbert was uncooperative and attempted to flee, crashing into multiple vehicles and police officers. She was eventually stopped and arrested. Hibbert had a small child in the car, but the child was not injured in the incident.
I know I'm buckled, sir. I know I'm buckled, sir.
Yeah.
Sir. I didn't do anything. I didn't do it, sir.
You just tried to kill 10 people.
No, I didn't, sir.
Alex, push back to me.
No. Sir, stop. Sir! I didn't do it. Stop. You have... No. Why have you done... Stop. Stop.
111, 110.
Austin Schwartz, 22, was pursued by police while driving a motorcycle at 120 m/h in a 45 m/peak zone in Vero Beach, Florida. The pursuit ended when Schwartz crashed into a truck, and he was arrested and charged with reckless driving and eluding police on August 16, 2024.
On the boulevard, southbound on the boulevard. Moving so fast, it's really hard to get a description. I could tell it's just a sports bike, that's for sure. Almost crashed, still southbound. Looks like he's on the sidewalk now. And wipeout, he just crashed. Yep, he's helmet down. He's standing by the bike right now.
on the back of your head. Walk back towards me. All right, interlace your fingers, all right? It's done. Don't be stupid. You understand? Keep your hands like this or we're going to go to the ground.
On 4/9/2024 in Littleton, Colorado, Brenton Zeeler, 29, allegedly stole a Toyota Tundra and crashed into a police cruiser while attempting to flee. Zeeler fired shots at officers during the chase before crashing and being taken into custody.
5832 exiting Bellevue.
Exiting Bellevue, 305.
5 David 32, they just lost the trailer. Needs of 83, still riding on the wheel. And 5 David 32, I believe they're firing.
We're working on right on security. There's a car pushing out, I think, south, but I'm going to clear the lots and stuff.
Then on August 1, 2024, in Miami-Dade County, Florida, Joseph Giannino, 35, was driving a stolen GMC Denali and was pursued by police. After crashing into several vehicles, including an overturned box truck, Giannino was arrested.
We're going to be eastbound 23. Alright, 23. I believe you signaled for the vehicle right now. Alright, towards the turnpike. He's going 12 whiskey. Now going on the...
He's speeding up. He sees us. We're gonna be lighting him up. Northbound Parkside.
In Toledo, Ohio, on July 31, 2024, Michael Kahn, 23, carjacked a 76-year-old man at gunpoint, firing one shot into the air before fleeing. Police located the stolen vehicle within minutes and arrested Kahn, recovering the gun used in the robbery.
Stopping at 2907.
And on October 2, 2024, Arkansas State Police pursued a stolen vehicle in Texarkana. The suspect, a 17-year-old, was driving 95 MP before losing control and flipping the vehicle.
That's a little rush. Traffic speeds about 90. Traffic's pretty heavy.
Well, our man was telling me about they're going towards I-30 now.
Passing the left inside shoulder. They're about to wreck out right here. Looks like, yep, they're wrecking out in the median. Roll over, roll over.
Furthermore, on October 15, 2023, in Tehama County, California, Joseph Michael Pate, 39, shot at a California Highway Patrol CAP officer after refusing to roll down his window. The officer returned fire, but Pate was hit and stole the patrol car, swerved off the road, causing a tractor trailer to flip over. After the patrol car caught fire, Pate abandoned the car and was arrested, but later died at the hospital.
Hey, can you roll down your window?
stay in your vehicle. Hey, hey! 802, I cannot tell. It's blacked out windows. Stay on the ground! Stay on the ground! Do not do it! Ah! Ah! 802, I'm hit. 802, I'm hitting the leg. 802, I'm hitting the leg. He's taking off with a patrol vehicle. Ah!
Everybody good?
Yeah.
You good?
Yeah.
Check equipment. Let's get a better search on him. Wow. Weapon safe, boys. Yeah.
111, 110.
On June 12, 2024, Atlanta police responded to a shooting and located a green Tesla associated with 4 male suspects. Upon discovering the vehicle, police pursued and arrested 2 passengers at the scene. The driver fled but was apprehended after a short chase.
Yes, I do have a secondary unit, if they can call it.
The Oak. All lanes of travel, gonna be going 70 plus, still on Whitehall.
Almost 41, we are still south on Whitehall, crossing over 88.
Up ahead, y'all, heavy traffic up ahead. Almost 41, we are still south on Whitehall, crossing over.
Green State. I'm talking on this radio.
Alright, we're still on lead. Fully run, spinning lead. The vehicle is slowing down. Still with it. Just stopping in the middle of the intersection. The vehicle. Lee and Oakland, you got a driver running out of plans, black sneakers. Alright, he's going to be giving.
Robert, 990.
111, 110.
A 33-year-old suspect threatened with a knife after stealing merchandise. On May 20, 2024, in San Diego, while being pursued by police, he took a man hostage and threatened him with a knife. After officers unsuccessfully used a stun gun, the suspect made a stabbing motion toward the hostage, prompting 3 San Diego police officers to open fire.
Taser, taser, taser.
Running southbound along Morena, out toward Friars.
Can you have traffic?
Abel, give me the air. He's southbound. He just ran down that little dirt hill under the bridge there. He's still southbound under Friars, or at Friars.
Southbound under the bridge at Friars.
Abel, he is running eastbound on Friars, just east of Morena. Is along the south curb.
Eastbound Friars on the south curb.
Sorry, can you give me the last line one more time?
Abel looks like he's running southbound across Friars, going to be going into the canyon here. Okay, Denver, he stopped. Okay, Abel, make this a code 12. He's got a hostage. He's got a knife to a male's neck, south curb line of Friars, just east of Morena. Make this a code 12.
We're going to need to make this code 12. Subject has a subject with a knife to his neck on.
Abel looks like he might have just stabbed the other male. Again, make this code 12.
Subject stabbed a person on fire.
4425 George, cross fire.
Shots fired on Friars again. Shots fired.